In this video, I will be reviewing one of the most popular BMW models around the globe, the BMW 3 Series E90. The model that I'm driving today is the facelift version from 2010, 316D. It has a 2-liter diesel engine with 116 horsepower and 270 Nm of torque. And it also comes with a manual transmission. It's the least powerful 2-liter diesel engine from BMW and it's the most economical one. BMW offers two different power stages for the same 2-liter diesel engine. The 318D, which has 143 horsepower, and the 320D, which has 177 horsepower. Acceleration isn't that impressive, but it's decent. If you want more fun out of the E90, you should opt for the inline 6 engines. 325i, 330i, 335i or 335d. If I had to choose one for myself, I would probably get the 325i or the 330i, and I would probably add a Quaife limited slip differential. I love the aesthetics, it's a practical car, you have enough space for a medium-sized family with 2 kids, and as a whole, the car is modern, responsive and fun to drive. Handling is better than I initially expected. Having rear-wheel drive, the car will tend to oversteer, but it's quite difficult to lose it on the corners with just 116 horsepower. However, if it's snowy outside, be careful, it will go sideways easily. In terms of features, we have heated seats, a decent sound system, dual climate control, parking sensors, an annoying start-stop system, and thank you BMW for putting 6 gears in the manual transmission for this low power engine. If you get an E90, look for one which has xenon headlamps, an M package, navigation and at least 170 horsepower. But if you simply love this model and you don't care too much about performance, the 316D, 316i or 318i are just fine. Automatic transmissions found in the E90 are reliable, responsive and comfortable. They're standard torque converted automatic, so don't worry, they're extremely reliable. The exact model that I'm driving today has almost 150,000 kilometers on board and it was around 11,000 euros 1 year ago. Quite decent, I would say. So let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, subscribe for more car videos and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.